How to fix notifications for WhatsApp on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimo. In today's video, I'll simply show you the way on how you can actually fix the notifications on your Android phone for WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let's say you have WhatsApp installed on your phone and you're not receiving any type of notifications. There could be multiple reasons why that could be happening in the first place. Now let's say you're not receiving individual notification. Let's say I'm not being able to receive a notification from one of these people. What you have to do is, first of all, go to their profile and then simply check whether or not you have muted their notifications. So you can see the mute notifications button right over here. If you turn this on, you will not be able to get notified for all of the notifications you receive from this particular person. So if you're not receiving individual notifications first, simply go ahead and check this toggle and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then there are also other reasons. So we will open up settings and then we will go to the option called notifications, which is right over here. Once you go to notifications, over here we will simply look for the app called WhatsApp. So we will go ahead and then look for WhatsApp over here. And as you can see, in my case, this notification toggle is turned on, which means you have to turn it on. And it could also be set to deliver quietly. You have to make sure to allow sound and vibration. The other thing is that you have in-app notification settings, and then you also have the in-app notification categories. So you can see notification categories. For example, if you're not receiving message notifications, make sure it is turned on next to message notifications. If you're not receiving chat history backup notifications and so on, you have to just make sure that all of these toggles is turned on. This is actually available only for Android, that you can customize the notification settings depending upon each categories. So simply be aware of that. Or else you could go to in-app notification settings. You can see conversation tones, notification tone. Make sure it isn't set to none or silent. You can also use high priority notifications as well. And then you could also go ahead and simply select reaction notifications, as in notification tones and so on. And most likely one of these will definitely solve your problem. If not, I would also recommend you to simply update or restart your phone and then update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. So if you update it, most likely this would also fix the issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.